Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Stackadapt, which is a powerful advertising platform used by marketers for native video display and CTV ads. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you are planning to try Stackadapt, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards and discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on the official website of Stackadapt, which is stackadapt.com. Once you come over here, you will see the prompt that would say campaigns to conversions, advertisers to audiences, buyers to brands. So over here, let's just briefly understand what is Stackadapt exactly before hopping on how you can create your account here and a bunch of other features. So Stackadapt is a demand-side platform or DSP that is designed to help you create, manage and optimize the programmatic ads. It's mainly used for running the native ads, but you can also launch the video, connected TV and display ad campaign. The tool uses machine learning to help improve your targeting and ad delivery in real time. Stackadapt is especially popular among the agencies, mid-size businesses, and marketing pros who want more control over how and where their ads are shown. But it is not just for the tech experts. Their platform is beginner friendly once you get used to the dashboard. So over here, as you can see, if we go to the solutions section, you will see a bunch of different solutions that it provides, like creative studio, B2B, political, travel, more industries, etc. So these solutions are basically the features that it provides. First of all, you will get access to the multiple ad formats like native video display, CTV and audio ads. You can also pick whichever format fits to your campaign. Secondly, it offers audience targeting using both first party and third party data. You can target based on the demographics, locations, interest and even behavior. The third feature that it provides is that it has powerful contextual targeting. That means your ads are placed on the pages that are contextually relevant, increasing your engagement. That's also the feature that is called Page Context AI, which scans the web pages in real time to match your ads with the most relevant context. Plus, it also includes the brand safety tools so that your ads won't disappear on the sketchy or low quality websites. They also offer the detailed reporting dashboards where you can track the impressions, click conversions, and more. Now, unlike any other platforms where you can basically just go and sign up with the help of your Google account or your email account, you will come here and you can see there is no sign up option is available here because Substack requires you to request the access first. So here you need to click on the request a demo option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, it is going to redirect you here on this page. You need to fill out this form with some of your details. It includes providing your first name, your business email, the phone number, company name, job title, company's type, size, country, region, and your annual programmatic budget, and how are you looking to work with us. So after filling out this form, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and click on the option of submit. So once you click on the submit option, you may redirect on the next page where you can basically select the date and the time at which you are basically free and talk to them. So a sales representative will going to contact you on that particular day. They will ask you certain questions and you will have to give the answer about your business and your advertising goals. After that, they will give you the login details and onboarding help to get started with your first campaign. So Stackadapt doesn't show any clear pricing on their website. If you come over here, you won't be able to find any of the information about the pricing that they offer. Plus, there is also no free trials available. That's because it works more like an agency level tool. You will likely need a minimum ad budget, usually starting at a few $1,000s. So the good news here is that they don't charge a monthly fee. You only pay based on the media spent for your campaigns. So if your budget is small, it may not be the best choice. but for serious marketers or agencies, it's worth it. So once you have got your login credentials, you can click on this login option here at the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide your email address and your password, then click on the login option. So once you are inside your dashboard, on the left hand side, you may see a bunch of different options like creating a campaign or checking the creatives and manage your audience. So inside it, you can basically start creating your campaign. You can choose your objective like awareness, conversions or traffic. Then you can select your ad format, whether it would be native, video or display. After that, you can upload your creatives and set up your targeting. You can also choose the geolocation, device types, operating systems or interest categories. Next, you will set the budget and bidding strategy, either CPC, CPM or CPA. So Stackadapt has automatic bidding, but it also lets you control it manually. So you can also connect to the third-party analytics tools like Google Analytics, or you can even use their built-in reporting tools. Now let's just quickly understand the pros and cons of Stackadapt. So over here, if I talk about the pros, so if you get your login details, you will find your interface user friendly even for beginners in the programmatic ads. Their contextual targeting is extremely powerful and accurate. You get the great control over targeting and bidding options. This particular tool is also excellent for the customer support and onboarding for the new users. You will get multiple ad formats that are supported in one place. Now, if I talk about the cons, you can clearly see that there is no clear public pricing available on their website. You will need to speak with a representative. The minimum budget requirement also may not suit the small businesses. Plus, there is no instant sign up or the free trial available, and your onboarding can also take time. So, Stackadapt is a solid DSP for marketers who want the advanced ad targeting and multi format flexibility. So, if you are an agency or a mid sized brand or even a solopreneur with a decent budget, Stackadapt can actually give you control over your advertising strategy. But if you are just starting out with a small budget, it might be better to try the platforms like Google Ads or Meta first. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.